So that's why I got it, because it went along with my martini glass. But I still say it's something that you could use in your decor. Let's just say that that one's fixed on your table. And to keep people from putting them on their eyes, I would glue it to the glass. Something like that. And then you put you a, what do you call these things? I don't know. Blowouts, potty blowouts, which came from the Dollar Tree, and they come in all different colors. You could do different colors on different tables or different sections of the table. And this is one way of saying happy 2018. And this is what I'm wishing for all of you. The very best 2018 that you have had in your lives. Well, you never had a 2018. Let's say the very best year you had in your lives in the year of 2018. I want you all to be prosperous and happy and peaceful and healthy and just have a lot of fun living life. Happy New Year. I'll see you next year. This is Hands On with Harriet, and we've had our hands on this wonderful, wonderful, simple, and elegant decor. Check, like, and subscribe, and all the other, and share. Thank you for stopping by.